Hello friends, welcome back to Java coding sessions. So today we will going to write a Java program to count the sum of digits in a number. So let's get into its program and then we will discuss and I will explain you each and every line of this code. So let's write a very commented code. So it's a good practice to write a commented code. So as you all know, our program execution will start from a main function. So very first thing is we will create a scanner object to take input from the user. So scanner system dot in. So let's import java.util.scanner. Now let make a code so that it can ask the user to enter a number in our console. So ask the user to enter a number. You can just give here enter a number. Now moving ahead, you need to read the number that has been entered by the user. Read the number entered by the user. So you need to give int number equals scanner dot next int. Now we need to give the variable that is int sum equals 0. So this is basically a variable to store the sum of digits. Variable to store the sum of digits. Now let us run a loop. So loop will run as long as the number is not 0. So we will just give here while number is not equal to 0. So you can give here sum is equal to sum plus number mod 10. So this will basically get the last digit of the number using modulus operator. Now we'll just give number equals number divided by 10. So this will remove the last digit by dividing the number by 10. So now you will see we need to output the sum of the digits. So we'll just give here system.out.println. You can mention here sum of digits. So that is, now you can mention here plus sum. And now it's good to close the scanner, close the scanner object to prevent resource leak, or you could say a memory leak. So you can just give here scanner dot close. Fine. So let me recap this code. So if you could see the very first line, import scanner class, we imported this scanner class from the java.util package to allow the program to read input from the user. Now you all know this main method. So main method is where the execution of the program starts. It contains the logic for reading the input number and calculating the sum of its digits. Now if we talk about creating the scanner object, so we create a scanner object called scanner to read input from the user. And the scanner.nextInt method reads an integer entered by the user. Okay. Then we initialize the sum variable. We create an integer variable sum to store the sum of digits, and we just initialize it to 0. Then we used a while loop. While loop continues to run as long as the number is not 0 inside the loop. Now this num mod 10, okay, this removes the last digit by dividing the number by 10. So, and now number is equal to number divided by 10, removes the last digit by dividing the number by 10. Okay, so this one actually what it gives the last digit mod 10, and this will divide by 10 will remove the last digit. And once the loop finishes, when the number becomes 0, the program outputs the sum of the digit. Okay, so let's run and see this. So run as Java application. It's asking me to enter a number. So let's suppose I gave 324. I entered. So I could see here the sum of digits as 9. So 3 plus 2 is 5 plus 4, 9. Okay. So if you take this number, for example 324, if you want to do a dry run in this, so you could see if you gave here 324, so first time in the first loop what it will do, it will get the last digit, okay, and this one will remove the last digit, you will get 32, okay. And now in the next case what will happen, so this will again get the last digit, okay. So the last digit will be 2. So now this time again this will add this. So in the next run, that is already you was having the 4 in the sum, and now this time 4 plus the, now it will again get the last digit, that is 2. Okay. So 4 plus 2, this will become 6 here. And you could see here again in this 3 2, now this will take 2 from this. Okay. Now this will get 3. Now again this will go here 3. Now in the third run this 6. Okay, this will become 6, and this time plus 3, this will give you a 9, and this time this will be fetched. Okay, this 3 will also be fetched, and it will be having nothing now, and now number, in this case it will come out of this loop, and finally we get the sum of digit as 9. Fine. So I hope this session helped you understand the steps involved in solving this problem and how to implement it in Java. Just remember, programming is about solving problems, and every small problem or every small code could help you in completing your project and helps you in sharpening your skills. Thank you everyone.